Zyro Website Builder Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this review, we'll break down Zyro Website Builder, its features, strengths, and weaknesses, to help you decide if it's the right tool for building your website. Zyro is an intuitive, AI-driven website builder designed for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and creatives who want an easy-to-use platform to launch their online presence without needing technical skills. It offers a variety of customizable templates, an AI writer, an AI logo maker, and e-commerce capabilities, making it ideal for users who want to build professional websites quickly. The drag-and-drop editor is one of Zyro's standout features, allowing for fast design creation without the need for coding knowledge. Zyro offers solid templates, optimized for different niches, and they're fully responsive, meaning your site will look great on both desktop and mobile devices. The built-in AI tools, like the AI Content Generator and AI Heat Map, are fantastic for new users. The AI Content Generator can help you generate text for your website, and the AI Heat Map predicts where visitors will focus on your page, optimizing user engagement. Another plus is Zyro's e-commerce functionality. With just a few clicks, you can set up an online store, manage payments, and track inventory. It also integrates with popular payment processors like PayPal, Stripe, and more. However, Zyro isn't without its weaknesses. While the builder is very user-friendly, it can feel a bit restrictive if you want to fully customize your site. Advanced users or those with specific design needs may find the customization options limiting. Additionally, Zyro's blogging features are basic compared to other website builders like WordPress. If blogging is a major part of your strategy, you might find Zyro's tools lacking. Pricing is another factor to consider. While it's affordable for basic plans, the more advanced features, especially e-commerce tools, require higher-tier subscriptions. Overall, Zyro is a strong choice for beginners, small business owners, and those looking for a straightforward website builder with a focus on AI-driven design and e-commerce. However, if you're looking for extensive customization or complex blogging features, you may want to explore other options.